Are you a beginner looking to start strength training but don't know where to begin? Well, embarking on a strength training journey can be both thrilling and rewarding. This step-by-step guide will help you kickstart your journey safely and effectively. Step 1. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve? Whether you're aiming to build muscle, enhance overall strength, or improve endurance, having defined objectives will guide your training. Step 2. Before you jump into any exercise program, particularly if you have health concerns, make sure to consult a healthcare professional. This step will ensure that strength training is safe for you. Step 3. Get familiar with basic exercise principles. Understanding key terms like sets, reps, rest intervals, and proper form will help you craft an effective workout routine. Step 4. Start with a warm-up. This step increases blood flow and prepares your muscles for the exercises ahead. Incorporate dynamic stretches and light cardiovascular activities. Step 5. Focus on compound movements. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at the same time. Think squats, deadlifts, bench press, and overhead press. Step 6. Begin with body weight exercises. Mastering these exercises will establish a solid foundation before you progress to lifting weights. Consider squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Step 7. As you gain strength and confidence, gradually add weights into your routine. Start with light weights and focus on maintaining proper form. Step 8. To see continuous improvement, progressively increase the resistance. This can be done by adding weight, increasing repetitions, or adjusting the difficulty of the exercises. Step 9. Establish a consistent routine. Consistency is key to seeing results. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, but don't forget to rest and recover between workouts. Step 10. Include rest days. Your muscles need time to recover. Rest days help prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. Step 11. Listen to your body. If you experience pain, it's crucial to rest and seek professional advice if necessary. Step 12. Stay hydrated and eat well. Proper nutrition is essential for muscle recovery and overall health. Step 13. Regularly assess your progress and adjust your program accordingly. This might involve changing exercises, increasing intensity, or modifying your goals. Step 14. If possible, work with a certified personal trainer. This guidance, especially in the early stages, ensures proper form and technique. Step 15. Stay motivated. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Find a workout buddy, join a class, or explore different types of strength training to keep things interesting. Remember, consistency and patience are key. Don't rush the process, and always prioritize proper form over lifting heavy weights. If at any point you're unsure about an exercise or experience pain beyond normal muscle soreness, seek guidance from a fitness professional or healthcare provider. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your strength training journey. Grab your gear, hit the gym, and let the gains begin. No more waiting. It's time to start your strength training journey today.